Shatawale is doing something for Ghana, and Ghanaians are supporting, but Ghana music players and the Coco Nankakas are not supporting. And I'm wondering why the Coco Nankakas are doing that.
All right, Shatawale, are you talking about the media? Coco Nankaka? It be the media that?
No, because what is the media doing?
Yeah.
See what Nigeria is blogging about now about this MTV thing.
Mm-hmm.
They are writing about Wizkid. He's the first African artist to get nominated. First African. They are not putting Shatawale there. But meanwhile in Ghana, our media is asleep. Oh, there with the Shatawale Uncle Boo contractor. This one Shatawale has not fought VGM. This one has not insulted anybody. So it's no news. My nigga, this is how we make money. This is how I make money. So if you don't even talk about it, I don't even care. We need to understand these things though, because if we don't understand, people will be in Ghana and I'll be doing things and say, nigga, me soon me 10 pastors or more Ghana, you know. Me some it's not about, come church and come and pick a lesson. I want to make money and share to people and give people and make people survive in life. That is what I'm doing. So basically, we shouldn't fight on these things. You should tell your media colleagues that it's a shame for them, for you and Mercury to just call me and congratulate me on this thing. I've not seen any DJ congratulate you apart from my team, Bulldog, Chris, and all my. We are all surprised. Even when Beyonce came into our life, we were surprised. How much more this? And now this is going to the world. This is like an event that is going to have superstars in there.
Absolutely.
The world stars in there, and we'll sit down and we'll celebrate because Shatawale has not slapped any contractor.
Shatawale, so do you want to believe that the media is biased towards your achievements?
The media is not being biased. They are doing their work, but I'm saying that their attitude towards the work is a shame.
Yeah, I'm talking about towards your achievements, because if they are not touting that
not
Shatawale
my
has
achievements.
Yes, you are talking generally.
Have we lost him?
Me?
Please reconnect.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, he's back.
Hello.
Right.
Yeah, me.
You see, the media is doing this not only to me.
Okay.
They're doing it to Sarkodie. They're doing it to Stonebwoy. They're doing it to people like we that have built the houses. Not houses in terms of material house or house. But I mean that we started from somewhere, and you guys know us, how we started. It's not been easy in Ghana. We don't get our royalties paid. But see how Sarkodie is branding himself. See how Stonebwoy is branding himself. See how Shatta is branding himself. See how Medical is branding himself. But then we try to just play certain games in the music industry as if like we are not watching the house we are building. Yes, we are building houses, but when we get land, we have to still buy them. That is why we have to pay attention to Sarkodie, Stonebwoy, Medical, Shatawale, so that when like this young chapter coming like TD, Kwame Eugene, you will not also structure them. But if you guys want to use upcoming artists to fight artists that you have already built, but brother, we are going to find this industry very difficult. Because that's where Shatawale is going to come up and say, are you guys asleep? Wake up! You are building something. Let's finish building it.
Shatta, you mentioned something that is of interest to me, using upcoming artists to fight well-established artists.
Yes,
it looks like that trend is about rearing its ugly head. And
of course.
I'm a bit uncomfortable about it.
I am too.
Yeah.
No, because recently, I heard people comparing Yao Talk to Sarkodie. How can you do that? How can you do that? You started building a house. You got into the second floor. That you almost finish with your pergola and have some penthouse at the top. And somebody will come and tell you the house is not good, so try and get another land at Agboba. Once your bidding is legal. That guy, are you okay? No. Let us help Sarkodie build his career. Let us help Shatawale, because that is how standard we can be. That is how people will see the growth in us. But if we do that comparison and now the young ones are trying more than the old ones, what do you mean? People, artists go to interview and people ask them, so when are you releasing another song? How? Once the person has released a song 3 months ago and you are not promoting it, it's so easy to even create a song.
Shatawale.
That's what I'm saying. We should stop like that. You know, our attitude towards our work is very bad. It's very, very bad. I don't lie to you. Maybe my attitude towards my work is about seriousness and, moving what I have to move forward. But if I'm watching some of these things, I go like, it's in conform. I'm going to say, yeah, because you're more than almost say, but yeah, Sikano. Yeah, Sikano back. Sikano, the media, because that is what I'm working for. Because media no back. I don't know about others.
Shatta, is it because people believe? In fact, I've heard some media people say that, oh, these guys, we saw them coming, we helped them get there, and now they want to look down on us. So let's create new stars. I've heard people say that. What would you say in reaction to this?
Badman, me, the way you dey do me, way we dey talk for radio, it's always the same. Me, I don't look down upon the Don.
Yeah.
Because I won't say maybe the Don said, we need to, what Shatta did, we have to, the police have to come inside and police and court. I don't get pissed because I know there is a way we work with this and get out of it. Because we are not criminals. I get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So if people are not looking at that side of life for this career, that no, fine, Sarkodie has come up. People are saying, oh, you're too low, or you're stingy. But guys, it is not easy for this music industry. Sarkodie has tried without a label. Shatta Wale have tried without a label. Recently, when Xylophone came, that was when I got from Akatam Mansu. But we have tried. I guess what Stonebwoy has tried. We shouldn't look at those things. We should watch how we can grow them up. Because when we establish Sarkodie well, he can bring something back into the industry. We shouldn't watch the personal lives of people and watch the business side because we are all doing business. Somebody can tell you that when you close from work, you don't give people lift. Then you go like, oh, how? Why do I have to? Why? What is this pressure? Because of that, will you wait and be giving people lift from your job site to your house? It's not like that. Maybe people don't know. You don't have fuel. You don't want people to see your fuel gauge. yes. Maybe your car. Maybe that's kaja. Maybe the way you brand yourself, you won't make at least time no catch. When time catch, people will come and support the industry like me. People say if I get small thing, where they don't do there, we are forgiven. I will give them. If my cookie did if I get small thing, I will give them. Because you people have tried, but to buy a house now for the Don, I don't have that power.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, for me, it's just that I've also worked to get my shelter at least to put some place and put my head. I know that you two have also worked hard. Mercury has done that. We have all tried to at least get our small cars to do whatever we have to. It's nice, but we are building something. We've not finished.
So, Shatta Wale, what would you say about some of the artists also, the young ones, also taking a swipe at established artists or trying to make them look small? Recently, Obibini, your former record label mate at Xylophone, is said to have said that, among the first 5 rappers, no. It's his view, though, but, when you want to mention names like Insak and say they are not in your first 5, clearly, it makes like some dancehall person, they just do, Shatta Wale, they my first 5 of dancehall artists, but maybe 10 they go day inside. They mention some smaller boys. How would you take it?
Sarkodie or me, I won't get pissed because that is how the industry has been structured. Like that is how it's been structured. So somebody like me, I won't take it like Obibini is trying to, throw shades or something, or maybe disrespect Sarkodie or something. But I'll say like that is how he sees this industry. Because he knows that you guys know that he raps, but you people don't support it. Like you people don't push it because of maybe Obibini is from Xylophone Music, and maybe you have your radio station here. So, bro, let us try and build the houses spiritually. That's what God is telling me. Not natural, normal houses like houses, but let us build the houses that we have to build because these are houses we are building. Sarkodie, Obibini, all those boys. Shamrado. If I tell you the things I've been telling you, Shamrado, he's a wicked rapper. Obibini is also another bad rapper. But you see, sometimes the pain in this industry makes certain things come out. You wonder how come Obibini and Amrado have this grudge and we don't know. But if it was left to me, I would have said no. You see this thing they are doing. This is what the industry needs to support for us to push them. Obibini, drop another one. Mama will drop another one. We are pushing them. We are making it a healthy beef. But because the industry is being structured in a way, people will find feelings. People will find fault to what is going on. And that's what I'm saying. We should stop all these things. Because I've tried my best, to entertain you guys. I've done a whole lot of things. That is why you know, if I'm doing things and, you know, people see, they get surprised because, how come Shatta? Because the things I'm doing myself as a CEO for Shatta Movement, it's not easy. I am working like the way Bank of Ghana, the whole governor is working in his office. But sometimes the way you people see this work towards us, like, you know, let's see technology. Let's see that these are new people who know much about how we can grow this industry. Because if we don't watch things like that, then we are going to watch things from, you know, we creating problems into each other and trying to make this one feel inferior, this one feel superior. These are the kind of things we're going to get. Like Obibini will sit down and say, yes, Sarkodie is in my top 5. And Sarkodie wouldn't be pissed because he understands that Obibini understands what is going on in the industry.
All right, so Shatta, fine. He won't be pissed. But I don't know. I'm bringing some bad memories to you. Maybe. You remember when you went to Tim Westwood? Shout out to my mama. Shout out to my dada. People they claim say the boys they put up a new face where you see it up. I've heard that too. You haven't heard it. Some people were making fun of that. So for me, you are going to take it lightly.
Like I didn't repeat what you said again.
No, people are also saying that Shatta go Tim Westwood. You know, if he put Ghana there, he go talk to shout out to my mama, shout out to my dada and things. But these small boys go deliver. You know, if you heard this, how would you react to it? Probably you haven't heard it, but I have.
But the time I go to Westwood, they pay me £90,000.
Eh?
No, that's what I'm telling you. The show I go do for London that time, maybe £90,000 will they pay me. So what is all this? What do I the time I go perform for Wembley?
Okay. I
got paid for £90,000.
Okay.
I know what I'm saying. So if I got paid for £90,000, we have to just pass 15 Westwood. Do I have to go and put metal weight and show my macho there?
Okay.
It's money we are looking for.
All right. So you didn't really take that platform as serious as people have taken it, probably.
No, but people who think they are also musicians, they should come out there. They have doors. They should just open it and come out. If they wake up morning, they should just open it, because that's what I'm saying. Me, there is no fight about music that anybody can fight about around me and get scot-free, because I am a music weapon or a musical weapon. I'm a fast-moving bullet when it comes to music. So the things I do with music and how I see music, that is a gift that God has given me. That is why I'm putting up the Gift of God album, because I want people to see that kind of gift that God has given me. The things I'm moving in music, I don't think people see music like that. Some people see music like dressing. People see music like, I don't know, a whole lot of things. But I see music in a different direction.
All right. Shatta Wale, people have said that, before you go, people have said that it's been a while Shatta Wale had a hit. Do you agree?
That's why you are calling me.
Ni?
Hello. Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
That is why you have called me for MTV Awards.
No. Good.
No.
Yeah.
No, let me tell you something.
Yeah. All right.
Beyonce did a song with me for over 1 year. She didn't release a video. The next year, she released a video. Over 1 year, they never said anything about it. This year, we are hearing a whole lot of good news. The documentaries are going to come out, things. You see, Ghana, I've said on my Facebook page, I've done on my Facebook Live, I've told people that I've graduated from this childish talks. Jay-Z is there. Nobody's telling Jay-Z that it's been a while since Jay-Z released, so he can't bring hit songs.
No, we are talking about hit songs, but you release, but we are talking about
your
Mahama Paper days, your Oya Chop Kisma days.
No, I think Shatta Wale is making a point. Yeah.
But the money.
Okay, let me do my interview.
Okay.
You understand me?
Yeah.
It's such that you can even allow people to also enjoy what you came to enjoy. Music is not a race. I get what I'm saying. I came to do business, and that is what I'm doing. So no, if you are talking like this, that it's been a while, that's what while you release a hit song.
No, that is word on the street. I'm just reflecting word on the street.
That's not a word on the street. That's the word on the radio. That's what you are saying to yourself. What is going on in the street? I'm on the street 247.
Mm-hmm.
And they play my music 5 hours. Just this weekend, I was at a pub. They were playing my songs 5 hours. You see the people there. So for 5 hours, my song was on repeat.
Shatta, which song of yours now is a leading song for you? As you can just say off here that this song is what is the jam now. Among the latest songs that you've released.
They don't. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you and your colleagues you get confused because you don't research, because you don't even go on my YouTube page. You don't even go on my pages to check.
No, Shatta, I want you to tell me. I may know, but what about the people listening?
Listen. Yeah. The kind of songs I do is for Shatta Movement fans. I don't do songs for Ghana music industry because I know your games and your structures. I get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I won't come and play a song that they don't. You are playing on radio because you feel everybody likes it. That's why our artists are not even getting heard in Nigeria. Let us stop playing cards like this and ask me questions that are of, upliftment and, motivation to the nation. I get what I'm saying. But if you ask me songs like this, I'm in the studio right now and I'm talking to you and I'm doing songs. And you're asking me which song that I have. They don't. I have my songs circulating. Go and check my songs. Me, I can't even remember my hit songs. If you tell me that I should remember the first song I dropped from 2015 or the hit songs in 2016, I can't even remember them. But I have songs that I'm still working on, and I'm doing my album. So I won't wait for somebody to come and be telling me which song did I release. They don't. That's what I'm saying. Beyonce released a song 1 year. She waited. Nobody asked her, oh no, for the next year you've not released any song. She came the next year promoting the same song with this video. Don't let us try and misinform and miseducate this upcoming artist and feel they can record every day. No Ghana artist can record like every day like me. They will die.
That one we know. I just said if you do 100 songs within a very short while.
Do your research and go on YouTube and be checking on the songs I release. If it's dancehall and you don't like it, don't play it. But if you feel this is Shatta Wale's career and we are building it, because we know Shatta Wale is a dancehall artist, he can do a little bit of Afro, he can do songs for girls, he can do songs for kids, he can do songs for... That is what you have to promote. I just released Both Way. None of you are promoting it and you're asking me which song have I released recently. Do you know Both Way has gotten into the keys, the hearts of the people living in Accra? What you are saying, if it's even that taboo, you have to buy me a
Both
coat.
Way? You should have me answer. You should have just said Both Way straight.
No. Because I'm driving at something. That's why I got to Both Way. Because I wanted to tell you that they don't.
Because Both Way be nice. Oh, it'll be nice track. It'll be nice track.
No,
but you see, it's not about me doing research. I'm telling you word on the street. Are you upset about my question?
No, be saying nice track. You are just failing or refusing to accept that I built this house and I have to complete it. I have a house where they built for 8 Lakeside. I asked everybody, did it. I built a catch on top. Me now, the full build out. It is me. If I will build it, I will finish it. But because I bought a couple of houses now, I feel no, that one, I know for free concentrate on them. But it is a bad habit that you are building a house and you don't want to complete it. You shouldn't be asking me like a whole Shatta Wale, your own don. You know, say you are the don, but your don, it be kitchen don. Me, my own be house don. You are asking a whole don. That when is the last time you released a hit song?
Shatta Wale, so you don't want me to ask you word on the street. I want you to diffuse the rumor. I want you to diffuse the rumor.
They don't. You are not on the street. They don't. I'm on the street 247.
Oh, Shatta, every time you did AC inside, you didn't.
You know where the street is.
You did travel.
You know what is the street?
Oh, but Shatta, when was the last time you go street?
They don't. The thing they talk. If you did street right now, like the big chop slap. I speak street language, not that ball. Like I know ball, but they tell you that if you get street right now, when you ask somebody say, but Shatta, what hit song you release right now? What they come right now? It's for God. That is what everybody is waiting for to see Shatta, do something around. They don't. You go chop slap because somebody go tell you, hey, okay, man, can share. They don't much. Beyonce has said it already, please.
You see,
your call has been put on hold. Please wait.
Shatta, no.
Your call has been...
God has said king already.
All right. Shatta,
Beyonce
you see...
has said king already.
No, you see, I feel that this, your feat, is a paradox of the situation people are rumoring about. Oh, Shatta Wale is coming down. No, the guy is going up. I don't know. You didn't know why I asked you that question. I asked you the question because of the scenario. Yes.
What you are saying is you and your colleagues. That's when you sit in your air-conditioned studio, then you talk about... Mekike won't talk about it. Mekike is a DJ. The only reason why Mekike won't argue with you because he's working as a professional person. Mekike can go straight on you. But Mekike maybe can call you at midnight and say, they don't. what you said on radio, and yes, I will jack. But on radio, you work professionally. I am telling you that, you see, me, Obian to me, Mama Bamumbu. That's why I always like to put things across and let you know that, no, don't let us speak like this. Because me, when you speak like this, there's no way I will come and impress you. They don't. Because I have fans on the street, 247. They don't. I don't sleep. You check my snaps.
Yeah.
You will sleep at 6 a.m. and they don't.
Who will tell you, Satan?
Why do you do that? If you don't think you're the don and make him the son. Because the son, you are a son. You can't be a don now. You should be my son.
Oh, Shatawale.
Yes,
interesting talking to you. All right, so Shatta, I wish you the best in this life. In fact, I love what you do. I know you have a mad mad fan base, and this is something that is not easy to achieve, and with your fan base, I believe that you're going to go places, and you're going to do what you have to do. All right, so Shatta, don't worry at all about some of my questions. It's very necessary I throw some of these questions.
It's for your colleagues. They don't, you're asking it for them.
Yes, because that'd be the weird way I hear Shattawale in career take a nosedive. I mean, these are things that people say commonly, I mean, amongst ourselves.
Amongst
yes.
Amongst the street, it's not like good. Don't do that.
All right. So it's good that you've cleared the air. That may be a figment of our imagination on the media, but the ground is different.
You push you follow up. What I'm saying is, you push you follow up. Mm-hmm. Don't let us be disgracing ourselves because I can't be nominated in the world like this, and the whole music industry doesn't have an idea about it. It's a very bad thing.
Oh yeah. That's why I'm saying that. For me, I feel you are going up rather. Because I mean, entering into the international realm.
I am up. I am up. What are you talking about?
Like the balloon way there, my level inside. The balloon carries Shattawale.
The balloon way afford. You know, I go for some bushes.
I know my level. Shattawale sang that song in anticipation of his great things. All right, Shattawale, any last words you like to put across before we say bye to you?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to God and, you, the media, you guys being supportive, with whatever, and, just keep working. But let's, improve ourselves. And to all my fans, I just want to say kudos to them, because they are always researching and bringing me good news and stuff like that. So I just, want to say a shout out. And to Flex K. Jermaine, he's doing so,
And there is this guy on Facebook, Vidashwale, or a lady.
Pardon?
There's this person on Facebook, Vidashwale. I don't know whether you have noticed. Yeah. I mean, he's one or she is one of your greatest fans. I mean, the person tagged me with this, your nomination. I mean, I don't wanting me to know that Charlie Shatta has made it. And for me, that's the kind of love that you have. People do the work for you.
Before we go, see within my fan base, I have a radio station there, TV station there, MTV base, Grammys. I have everybody there that is working for me. My management team knows that within my fan base, we have people working there. Recently, when I spoke about a little business I wanted to do, which I don't really want to talk about now, people are doing things like people are supporting. If I tell you the number of cars that people have ready for me to start my business, you won't believe. So please, that's what I'm saying. I am not going up small. I am up, please. And sometimes come home so that Nekukede has been coming. We'll be drinking coffee. Come, we'll give you the coffee some, please.
All right. Shattawale, Shaxi. Oh, you know Shaxi.
Shaxi, yeah.
Yeah, Shaxi, baby. Shaxi,
Yeah,
baby.
See, we're talking about positive things right about now. Shaxi. Tell me a bit about Shaxi before you step out.
Well,
because this is big. I mean, this is big.
Well, the only thing I can tell you is it's a ride-hailing service, That,
is it owned by you or you are fronting? I just want to know.
They're on.
Yes, bro.
This is my own personal company that I would want everybody to get involved so we can all build something for Ghana. So it's something I've been planning for about, 3 years now, and people who don't know, it was a reason why man even went to Miami and stuff, So it's a great thing. And I'm saying that let us look at how we can build these houses and build them more because, it's a beautiful thing I want to do.
All right. So when are we looking at it starting? Do you have any tentative dates?
Oh, infos and everything are going to be on our pages. So
all right. So watch out for that.
Hear from me, and I'll come for an interview to with you at least. You know,
All right. Okay.
You know, that's to
create job for the youth out there. That's what Shatta Wale is doing.
Exactly.
Noella Karinyale says hello.
Oh.
Who?
Noella Karinyale.
Noella, you know that I saw her somewhere. The way I wanted to, how I wanted to, and the way I wanted to.
Oh, Shatta Wale, and she didn't give you the chance.
It's not listening to me.
She's right here.
Noella,
Yeah.
I want to sing a song for you.
Hey. Dorina Vio say you be bad friend. You sing the song finish.
Oh my darling, Noella. Oh bro, Noella. It's more than don't get me quick.
Ah!